Hi, my name is Leon Paz, and I'm an instructor for the Transportation Design Department at ArtCenter College of Design. So, let's get started. As we make the shape of the DLO, we're going to start thinking about the values that are going to do degradation for us. So if I have light coming from the top, and the light is mostly here on the side of the vehicle. Since the light is mostly here on the side of the vehicle and I have values here on the top, what we're going to do is just get the C7 and go underneath it. My DLO is going to do something like this. And then I'm going to use that line that connects with the front. And don't worry, if your DLO looks a little bit too small, we can always add more black or dark values so we can start working shape in. Leaving a little bit of those streaks in there is going to make the glass read like it has reflections. Some thick to thin also helps sell the sketch, even with the marker. And with the C7, we can go already, since it's already here, let's just block in the inside of the wheels. Don't worry, just try to feel the strokes and try to loosen up at the same time. If you have to follow the shape like I'm doing, so it doesn't become a square rather than a circle, feel free to move the pad around. So that's supposed to be the inside. Supercars have a lot thinner tires than other cars. So what I'm going to do is use the very sharp edge of the black, so I can go around the wheel, creating the effect of the tire. And I know that if I find myself a nice circle template that is the degree that I want, I could do that a lot faster by just going over the marker circle template. And if it gets smudgy, or if it gets a little bit too dark with the ink, don't worry, you can just get alcohol and rub it off. Here I can add a little bit of strokes, just indication of what's happening in there. Then I can start punching in some of the details. I'm trying to make myself go faster, so my lines and so my gestures also look like they're more comfortable and faster, even if it means going above and the work that I've done already. This could be even darker. And a little bit of a graphic for the headlight. Great, here is where the car is going to start getting together and looking finalized. It's all about finishing and cleaning up your design right at the end with the Paraffin or the Prismacolor. Since I already started with the Prismacolor, it's very easy to me to come back and just punch some of those lines. And remember, thick to thin, make a statement out of your line work, so your car looks fast. Oh, not too fast. incorporate that into the shape of my window graphic. I kind of like what's happening there. I'm going to do one more hook right here so it becomes a nice little detail. And then I can get the circle template, clean up some of those tires. Show a little bit of the wheel well, where the tire is going to be bouncing up and down. Just call wheel well, wheel jam, wheel house. So those terms that you're gonna learn so you know what car designers are talking about. Great. What's missing is the shadow. So it really feels planted on the ground that is going at speed. So C9 or black. Since we're doing everything with black already down here, I'm just going to add C9 so it's just noticeable. And yes, you can use the ruler, but once again, if it gets to be too stiff, your car is not going to look confident. So I rather see a little bit of these manual mistakes until you get into the flow and it looks just right. You know what we're missing? We're missing some door cuts. Let's say, got a door cut right here. This is how the section goes. Oh, now we're talking. Cool. Maybe here's a little bit of the door handle. And that's about it, guys. Have fun recreating this and adding some of your own ideas into the Supercar proportion.
Learn from the masters at ArtCenter College of Design and turn your passion for drawing and cars into a creative career by starting here. Subscribe for more free lessons.